Hello everyone. In today's lecture, I'm going to show you how to solve integration problems involving a denominator and a numerator where the degree of the numerator is either equal to or greater than the degree of the denominator. Here you will see that it is x cubed. That means the degree is 3 here and the denominator, the degree is 2. How shall we solve such a problem? So, as we recall, when we were doing improper fractions in for numeric expressions, for instance, let's say 95 divided by 4, you know how to put this in an integer and a proper fraction form. So we used to divide 95 by 4, we used to get 23 3 by 4ths. We will be doing the same thing. We'll be doing the same thing for algebraic expressions also in this case. That means we'll be dividing x cubed by x squared minus 4. Let's see how to do it. So I'll take this space here to do this. So this is x squared minus 4 and the method is this one, and this is x cubed. So x cubed divided by x squared. What should be multiplied by x squared to get x cubed? It's x. Okay. So x multiplied by x squared is x cubed. X multiplied by minus 4 is minus 4x. Now in order to eliminate x cubed, I have to change the sign of the bottom part. So this one and this one will get cancelled off and I am left with only 4x. So this expression x cubed upon x squared minus 4 can be expressed as the integer form, that means x plus 4x upon x squared minus 4. Now we are in a position to integrate this expression. So let's do that. Okay. So this is equal to, can be written as x plus 4 upon x squared minus 4 of dx. Okay, we can separate the expressions. That means it is integration of x dx plus integration of 4x x squared minus 4 dx. Okay, so integration of x is very easy. That is x squared by 2. Raise the power by 1 and divide by the power. Okay, so this is finished. Now how to solve this one? So this is 4x and this is x squared by 4. So this will be solved by a method of integration by substitution. So let's say that u is equal to x squared minus 4. So du by dx is equal to 2x. Therefore dx is equal to du by 2x. Okay, so this can be written as 4 of x upon u and the dx is du by 2x. So this and this will cancel, we'll get 2. So this turns out that this will be x squared plus 2 plus we can take 2 outside, integration of du by u, and we do know that integration of du by 2 is ln absolute value of u, and we add the constant of integration. So finally the answer is x squared plus 2. We replace the value of 2 by what we have substituted, that is x squared minus 4 plus c. Okay, so this is how you solve problems involving degree of the numerator is equal to or greater than the degree of the denominator. Okay, thank you. This is all for today's lecture.